Okay, so the question was, how did I know where to put the glue on the back of the ceiling panel? Just a minute, I forgot to get my glue bottle. So, when you test fit that sheet to make sure it's going to fit up here, up here. So to get it up here without hurting myself. Usually everything goes together real easy. You get some of that. That'll teach you. Don't you ever say easy again. Alright. Scoot this over a little bit. We'll get our seam up tight. Okay, make that tight. Now I'm going to go up on top. I'm going to pencil line where my studs are, so I know where to put my glue. Go ahead and mark all your studs on the wrong side. Even the ones that are just there for, bracing your fan. The more glue you have, the better off it is. Right, there you go. So we got that all penciled in. Now I could have moved the camera up there now, but we all know what pencil marks look like, and all that would do is shake you up a little bit. Give you a little dash of dizzy. Nobody wants that. What I always say, use that glue like you stole it. How many glue you use? That roller's okay, but it's just so slow. And I don't like slow. See if I can step over a little bit. Any wood that you haven't stained yet, don't ever step on it like that. Because what will happen is that dust footprint will stick into there, and you won't really notice it until after you stained it. Then you got this ugly footprint in your work. Alright, let's see if I can get this up without hurting myself. Just a little bit more glue here. Sometimes the blue bottom does not cooperate like it should. Like it should. Now this one, I know I already showed you the other one, how to get it up there and everything. Well, when you're getting up this piece of wood, and it's right on that curve, you got to do it just a little bit different. Let's get this one here. Let's get this one up. It's a pretty good fit. Pleased with that. All right. That's where the fan goes. Okay. Normally I measure those right where the studs are, but I kind of know where those are. So now let's take this down. The other side, I can see where the light's coming down and throwing a shadow on the studs. Let's see. We got. Holding my breath. I should be holding my breath. I don't know why I'm struggling so much. It's not that big a deal. Could be a little excited, I guess. It's always kind of cool whenever you get the closing it in a little bit. And now we got that curve right here. Curve. I missed my stud. I mean, I don't miss it, I just can't see it. Get it. just got all of it. So now I'm just gonna put the rest of my spars at the back, and then once I get the spars in across here, I'll take the other piece and I'll feed it in between there and then push it back up against there and nail it down. Alright, see y'all in the next segment. Thanks for watching. 5x10 Teardrop Camper build.